Hi, this is Connecticut personal injury attorney Ryan McKeen. I'm one of 20 Connecticut attorneys in the multi-million-dollar advocates forum, and I'm here to talk to you about something you should know about before you hire a Connecticut personal injury attorney. And that thing, it's not something that's obvious at all. And it's not something that I understood not only when I was a lawyer, but until I really became a personal injury lawyer. And that's the subject of finance charges. Now, in cases, there can be significant case expenses. You know, if there's a medical malpractice case, there could be $100,000 in case expenses or more. In other cases, there could be hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands. It all varies depending upon the complexity of the case. The more complicated the case, the higher the expenses, the more experts that are needed, the more it is that needs to be done. And the way this works is law firms advance the money. So they hire the expert that needs to be hired, and they pay for that expert from their funds. They don't ask the client. None of us ask clients for that money. They advance it out of their money. And the question is, where does that come from? Some firms use lending companies to finance those case expenses, and that's great. That kind of financial wherewithal can give a firm the ability to take your case and get you the value it is that you deserve. And the only question is, when they're borrowing that money, are there any finance charges? And they can pass along interest to the client as a case expense. But that's got to be in writing, and that's got to be in the client agreement, and that's got to be disclosed upfront. So as you're looking to hire a Connecticut personal injury attorney, one of the things you should be asking about is how the firm finances it, and are you going to be charged for the finance expenses on the money that is put into the case? And at the end of the case, that can add up to thousands and thousands of dollars that, yes, it's advanced by the law firm, provided by the funding company, but ultimately coming out of your pocket. So if you have any questions about Connecticut personal injury law, give me a call, 860-471-8333. I'll post my link in the comments. My goal here is to add value, tell you the things that you may not know or would have no ability to know. And if I add some value, if you could hit subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. You can contact me down in the comments. Thank you.